Every month Microsoft releases something called a Patch Tuesday update. It happens on the second Tuesday of every month. And this month, June 2026, it's here. Now most people hear security update and immediately think boring, just another update, skip it. But here the real problem: skipping these updates leave your PC exposed to security threats, and this time you would also be missing out on something genuinely useful new features. If you are running Windows 11, 24 H2 or 25 H2, this update is already waiting for you. So what exactly in this update and why should you care? Let's start with the security side. The main update is called KB5094126. Once installed, it bumps your Windows build number to either 26100 or 26200.8655, depending on which version of Windows 11 you have. Along with it, you might also see a few extra updates, things like .NET security patches and the malicious software removal tools. These run quietly in the background and clean up known threads on your system. But here where things get interesting. The update does not just patch security hole, it also bundles in the mini preview update, which means new features are coming along for the ride. And this is where most people are going to notice a real difference. Let's talk about the three biggest additions in this update. Number 1, your PC might actually feel faster. Microsoft has quietly turned on something called a low latency profile for everyone. With this update, think of it like switching your PC into a more responsive mode. Apps open quicker, the smart menu feels sniffer, everything just reacts faster. This is especially noticeable on older PCs. If your computer has been feeling sluggish lately, this update alone might change your experience completely. Number 2, your camera can now work with multiple apps at the same time. These ones hug if you are in video call or using apps that need your webcam. Before this update, if one app was using your camera, every other app would just say camera already in use. Super frustrating, right? Not anymore. After this update, multiple apps can access your camera simultaneously, no more complex. Number 3, Bluetooth audio sharing. Everyone wanted to watch something with a friend but only had one pair of earbuds. Well, now if your device has the right Bluetooth hardware, you can share audio with two devices at once. Both of you plug in your earbuds, you both hear the same thing. No extra cable, no workaround, just a clean built-in features. To recap, this one update brings you tighter security, a faster feeling PC, smarter camera handling, and shared Bluetooth audio. All you need to do is going to setting, window updates, and hit check for update. Look for KB5094126 and let it installed. Stay updated, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.